Have you ever seen an owl twist its head and thought, wait, did it just spin all the way around? Well, believe it or not, owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. That's almost 3/4 of a full circle. But here's the wild part, they don't do it just to freak us out. Owls can't move their eyes at all. Yep, their eyes are locked in place like camera lenses. So, to look around, they have to rotate their entire head. You might think that would cut off their blood flow or hurt their neck, right? No, owls have special neck bones and blood vessels that stretch and store blood, so even when they twist that far, nothing gets damaged. It's like nature built them with a built-in swivel. So next time you see an owl turn its head almost all the way around, just remember it's not magic. It's amazing biology. Follow for more mind-blowing animal facts.